optimistic that this is going to be a good day for us because people have turned out in their numbers, and we are also urging anybody to stay home to wake up as calm and exercise their civil rights. Secondly, I also want to urge the police officers, especially those in plain clothes, not to intimidate voters, because we've seen so many vehicles here without number plates, and we've told our people that any vehicle that has no number plates is therefore suspect to activity that may want to interfere with this election. So we want to call upon the residents of Ol Kalou in high spirits. Make sure you vote, also guard your vote.
Our complaints yesterday somewhat for deployment and spoke to intimidation seemingly a huge turnout.
Of course, these are paranoid governments, a government that fears itself, a government that does not have confidence in itself. That is why they over-deploy. But nevertheless, people of Ol Kalou have shown maturity in exercising their democratic rights, and they are calm, and we don't see any cause of alarm. But as to when anything contrary to what we expect happens, we'll be able to reach out.
Finally, we are expecting where will you be voting for?
You'll be voting at Kisii polling station at exactly 10. And I believe that will be a golden path to the vote.
Thank you very much. Sit down. That was basically that Leo Malala just giving us an update on what he has observed so far in this election. Details of
Mongela.
After the vote, they finish the process and they get back to the normal day-to-day business. In the next few minutes, we'll be seeing the UDA candidate Samuel Kisii and Nyamira coming here to vote. He's in stream, the stream and this should be the stream. And before that, we'll also see the here to observe the process. And
They should not just cast their vote. No. This is not a government that is trusted. It has ensure that we cast our vote. And that we have our agents. Yeah, but we can vote outside the polling station. Inside the polling station, we know you vote but outside the polling station, so that we don't have any form of ballot stuffing or any kind of appearance paranoid. We just want to ensure that the democracy that we are fighting for all this time around is actually saved.
Maybe last night, PPL, we had an incident last night
we were able to bring this issue. I want to tell the people that we have a very peaceful manner and we expect this peaceful. Our candidates are voting Saturday, that is going to be
Regina, niko na malala. Wanasema kufanya wish. Sasa soda kidogo. Soda kidogo. Samba. Hiyo ngure hajafanya link. Ngure hajafanya link. Wakifanya hivyo get ready hata video zingine kufanyia watu kufanya kama sasa get ready ni usoni.
Piero, chukueni kabla. Kuja tu hapa sina maiki. Kuja tu hapa sina maiki. Kidogo tu.
Let's just record.
How do you describe the exercise?
So far so good. We are glad that this is a bright morning and the people of Ol Kalou have turned out in large numbers to come and exercise their democratic rights. And we want to say that we've had a very calm morning, no chaos. We expected a little bit of intimidation for our voters because last evening we had an incident in one of the villages, but we were able to calm the situation. We want to ask and encourage our voters, those who have not turned out, to come and cast their votes because this is a historic day. I want to remind Kenyans that the first born, the UDA party, was elected on 17th July 2021, and today marks exactly 5 years since UDA was born in Mount Kenya. And today we want to announce that we are going to perform their final rites 5 years down the line, because today is 16th July 2027, and therefore 2026 I mean, and therefore I believe that this is God's sent, and just encouraging our people. We already have the win. Let us cast our votes. Let us turn out in large numbers, and I believe that our country is going to emerge victorious.
Any issues with the process and what's going on? Are you satisfied with the IEBC's preparation?
A little bit of technical issues with the team kits, but our team and the IEBC team is, I think these are just normal problems that we encounter in any polling station. I want to encourage our people, however long it takes to be on that queue, please do it for the sake of our country. This is going to be a historic time when government has pumped in so much, bribed people, tried to subvert the will of the people, but behold, the sovereignty of the people, the power belongs to the people. Today we are going to see Goliath being taken down by a very humble David. And therefore, just to say that we are confident. We have not seen any incidents, save of government vehicles moving around without number plates. We have told the citizens that we will not allow any vehicle to move around without number plates. We want everybody to be identified. We want every police officer to have their badges and their force numbers displayed on their chests. We will not allow masqueraders. If you are an agent, put on don your badge. If you have ulterior motive, then we will be able to deal with that according to the law.
You had been very vocal about the deployment of security officers here as a party. Are you satisfied with the status of security, or you still feel that the deployment was excessive?
Even if they deployed the entire brigade of the police force, we are winning. So that will not derail us. And I think initially they had thought that if they over-deploy, they will be able to intimidate our people. But the people of Ol Kalou have shown bravery in waking up in the morning and not being intimidated. And I'm just glad that it has started on well, and we hope the trajectory is maintained all through the day.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Ongela. tu hapo juu. Kuna nini kwa nyuma yako? Jua. Janga.
Kwanza kabisa tukisema tu kwamba tuko tayari na tumefurahia sana kwamba tumekuwa na peace in the morning, kwamba tunashuhudia kesi zote za fujo, kuhimiza tu wapiga kura wetu wajitokeze kwa wingi. Tuko na uhakika tumepata ushindi, lakini lazima tupige kura. Kuomba tu vijana wote ambao bado hawajafika, mama, waweze kujitokeza. Tuko na mikakati ya kutosha kuhakikisha kwamba tumeleta kila mtu, hata wale ambao wako katika mahospitali, wale ambao hawajiwezi kufika hapa. Tumeweza weka mikakati ya kutosha jinsi vile wanaenda kubebwa kutoka hospitalini kwa nyumba zao na kuhakikisha kwamba wamekuja kupiga kura, kwa sababu hii kura ni ya maana sana. Kukumbusha tu wa Kenya kwamba UDA party ilizaliwa mwaka wa mbunge wa kwanza kuchaguliwa kule Kiambaa alichaguliwa mwaka wa 2021 tarehe 17 mwezi wa 7. Leo hii tunatimiza sasa miaka 5 tangu UDA izaliwe, itupatie mbunge wa kwanza. Na leo ningependa kutangaza kwamba leo ndio matanga ya UDA hapa, sababu sasa kandarasi ambayo walikuwa nayo na watu wa mlima sasa imeisha, and tunataka tufanye hiyo katika ile ballot ambayo tunaenda kucast leo. So ni kuomba tu kwamba security agencies waweze kuweka usalama, na hatuna shida. Ile hali tumeona tu kwamba magari mingi zinatembea bila number plates. Tumeambia watu wetu waweze tazama hizo magari vizuri, na tutaruhusu askari yoyote atembee kama hana badge. Badge yake ni lazima tujue ni nani, anafanya kwa police station gani, so that anything happens to any citizen of Ol Kalou, they will be able to be accountable. Serikali tu walikuwa na wasiwasi mwingi kwamba kutakuwa na fujo, lakini tumeona kwamba hakuna fujo yoyote. Tungependa waweze, hata polisi hao wakiwa 5,000, 20,000, sisi ya maana ambayo tumekuja kufanya leo hapa ni kuhakikisha kwamba uchaguzi umefanywa kwa njia ya amani. Ni polisi wenyewe kupitia wale goons. Unaona mara kwa mara wanakuja na goons. Hao ndio uharibu amani. Tunatarajia kwamba leo hawataharibu amani yoyote, na tuhakikishe kwamba utaratibu umetendezwa na kura imepigwa kwa njia ya amani. Vile mitambo za umeweza kupata malalamisho kutoka kwa technical kidogo tu. Tungependa tu kuomba wafuasi wetu wawe na subra. Kama kutakuwa na changamoto katika Kisii, waweze ngoja. IBC iko na spare Kisii ambazo hata kama moja ifanyi nyingine inafanya, lakini hatujapata ile Kisii yote ambayo haifanyi so far. Tumetembea katika polling stations karibu 8 na zote zinaanza kwa usawa, na kuhimiza tu wananchi wajitokeze.
Well, Ndo, good morning to you. Coming to you. Well, Ndo, good morning to you. Coming to you live from the primary here in Ol Kalou, where Lord Producer have been witnessed early morning. We are present at this early polls. let go of the DCP Secretary General Malala, who was stand by here to just check on the voting here, because remember that this particular contest has attracted 9 candidates. All of them are, of course, presented by political parties. No independent candidate has been presented here. Remember that the DCP party had expressed apprehension about the heavy deployment of security apparatus, but Eljas has spoken to him about how he has gone about maybe just assess if the voting is not on the 20% you are here for your primaries, where we are expecting that the candidates will be voting in one of the polling stations. Have you assessed and found out how it's going on?
First of all, Alan, I'm the deputy party leader. I'm not the secretary general. But that said and done, I want to say that so far so good. We've been able to start the day in a calm way, a very peaceful way, and I want to congratulate the people of Ol Kalou who have turned out in large numbers to come and exercise their democratic right. And just to urge that those who haven't turned out and you're at home, kindly ensure that you come and cast your votes. We have put mechanisms to ensure that we mobilize all the citizens of all the voters of Ol Kalou to come and vote. We have liaised to the hospitals to be able to discharge some of the patients who can be able to be buried here, to come and vote. And also those who are physically challenged, many of them are in their homes and unable to come. We have mechanisms to ensure that they also come and participate in these vital exercises. We saw yesterday a little bit of intimidation by plainclothes police officers in one or two villages, but we were able to calm the situation and just urge that all the police officers who have been deployed in their respective workstations should ensure that they don their badges. We want them to be identified, we want them to be accountable of their actions, and we shall not be accepting any plainclothes officer roaming around our polling stations trying to intimidate our voters. But I want to state here that this is a historic day, because I remember it is exactly 5 years when the UDA party was born in Kiamba. Kiamba, I remember the first UDA MP was elected on 17 July 2021. Today marks exactly 5 years. And behold, we are going to perform their final rites here by giving birth to the first ever member of parliament for the DCP party.
Maybe if you call in Kentucky, but I definitely put it there, we actually used to do as a secretary, but now they can put it here. In terms of the Kens, have you assessed and found out that the details are well captured and know what is disenfranchised?
In majority of the polling stations that we've visited this morning, I think so far so good. Apart from the speed, we have been experiencing a slow movement, but we want to urge our voters to be patient. This is your day. Make sure, however long it takes, make sure you cast your votes. Our candidate will be coming to vote, to cast his votes at exactly 9:30, and we want to believe that that's going to be a golden vote for the people of Ol Kalou.
Thanks so much. All the best. Thank you, Carl. Let me just speak to some of the voters here who might be ready to do.